Hi there, it's me, Yvonne de Celis on YDCtv. It is Sunday, April 14th, and it is about 1:15. I'm just waiting here. I think you can see this, hopefully. This is Andover Station in Massachusetts. So I am just waiting for the train. It's currently 1:13 p.m. So just wanted to do a quick sweep of where I'm at right now. So I'm in Andover, Mass, waiting to head home. Had my weekend with my mother, so going back now. Just letting you know I'm still looking for people to give me requests on what you guys would like to see me do energy healing videos on. Any sort of health issues you have or anything you want me to research, just let me know in the comments down below. Also, as always, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Sorry for the shaky camera. I'm just trying to hold it steady at the moment, having a hard time. But as always, leave me requests, subscribe if you wish, it's free to do, and what that means is YouTube will just send you notifications when I make changes to my channel on occasion. If you do click subscribe, a little bell icon will show up, and if you click on that icon, it will put little lines on either side, which means you will get notified every time I do anything on YouTube, which I don't really recommend you do if you don't want to get hounded by YouTube. But if you can leave me a comment, a request, anything like that, that would be awesome. And again, thank you just for spending the time watching this video. I really appreciate having you here. I will be back in a few days. If I don't get any requests, I will just come up with something on my own. So anyway, as always, thank you so much. Namaste, peace and light, and hope to see you here again soon. Ciao. Take care. Bye-bye.